Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about Array.concat method. So it is a method like concat in string, but just to merge two or more array. This method doesn't change existing array, but instead of return a new array. So what we're gonna do is first we will create to array. So use the var keyword array. Now what we'll do is string a comma b comma c. Now what we're gonna do is create another array equals d comma e comma f, and now we will log it on a console array, and now we will use the concat method to concatenate array1 and array2. So concat, and now pass array. Oh, do. So when we do that, we will get A, B, C, D up to F because we add the both of stuff. If you want like in the you want like in different array to be stored, so you can do like create another var array and equals that, and if you like array, you will get the output. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.